Welcome to the latest update from 24 Trains TV. It's great to have you watching again. This week, we have another wonderful selection of beautiful train videos ready for you. Would you like to watch them in their entirety? You can, of course, starting at just $4.99 per month as a 24 Trains TV subscriber, and you can also enjoy 7 days of free viewing with our trial subscription. How about a wonderfully relaxing cab ride through rural Lombardy? It's enough to give you that real holiday feeling. You will glide comfortably past stunning lakes and climb steeply up through the mountains. And to give the journey an international twist, we finish the trip in Bellinzona, where the train passes spectacularly beneath UNESCO castles. Inspiration for your model railway can come from real life, or be entirely from your imagination. So let yourself be inspired by these impressive model railways from the United States to start your own project. Want to throw a party with 24 Trains TV? You can! Beer, bratwurst and steam trains are almost essential ingredients. Mix them all together at a depot and you've got a successful Heidshaus Fest. At these kinds of festivities, special locomotives are often brought out, such as the Prussian Bear, 95 10,272 our train of the week. In the middle of the COVID era, the Vloo Steam Train Company organised the so-called Summer Night Express, a welcome night out after months of staying indoors. Travel back to this special time with this exclusive report from 24 Trains TV. And that's it for now. But luckily, 24 Trains TV has more than 5,000 videos to keep you entertained. So what are you waiting for? Become a subscriber to 24 Trains TV for just $4.99 a month. Or give it a try for 7 days. That's free. 24 Trains TV.